Hello, my name is Sean Manning, and this is a presentation on individuals in society. The modern American citizen observes or is a part of societal issues in their day-to-day life. On the nightly news or in the newspaper, we can see or read all about acts of violence, unemployment rates, and the next global disasters. It has become a part of life, something that we accept as the norm. With changes in technologies, we are able to have delivered to us firsthand information on issues in society instantly. Social media, smartphones, and automated news feeds keep us up to date on current events in ways that past generations could only dream about. Having all this information readily available to us, it is our choice as individuals how we can affect changes and improve our society. The individual's role in changing the issues we encounter in society begins with education. There are more opportunities today to receive an education than ever before. Federal and state-funded programs have been developed to help students and adults get post-secondary education at affordable rates or even free of charge. Educational programs are even offered to prisoners in an attempt to reduce recidivism rates. In a 1997 study, it was reported that 70% of prisoners did not have a high school education, and repeat offenders that completed a GED program while in prison reduced their chance of returning by 26%. It is human nature to want to watch out for our own best interest, or to take care of oneself before taking care of the interest of others. We are more likely to solve our problems in society if, as a society, we work together and develop public or private programs that improve our communities. Having a collected public interest in correcting social issues will make the programs more likely to succeed and have a better success rate. This would take us as a society to go against our nature and invest in these community programs. 1 in 8 surveyed Americans are willing to pay for programs that will lower crime rates and improve unemployment. When asked for the same donation, but provided the information that the programs will reduce crime by 10% in the areas that they live in, the same programs received a 39.5% increase in the willingness to participate. With working together for the common good, we can reduce crime rates, provide educations, and help each other. This will lead to a reduction in poverty, unemployment rates, and crime. We have to find a balance between self-interest and social responsibility. We must invest in our society to improve the condition of our society. While it is up to our government to provide social programs to help people in our society and educational programs to improve our children, it is up to us to demand our government provide these services. One person of historical significance that we can look to as an example of making change to society for the collective interest is Clara Barton. Barton was a patent clerk in Massachusetts before the start of the American Civil War. She did not agree with the treatment of injured soldiers during the Civil War. She took on a role as a battlefield nurse while pursuing the creation of the American Red Cross. In 1881, the American Red Cross was founded, and she was the first president. She put her self-interest and personal life on hold to pursue a cause that resulted in the greater good of our society. If we can put our self-interest aside and work for the common good, like Clara Barton, our society can become a better place. Crime, unemployment, and poverty levels can all become lower with the involvement of us as citizens. It takes us working together for the greater good. If we each put the effort to make our society a better place, our society as a whole will become better. I leave you with a quote from Clara Barton. You must never so much think as whether you like it or not, whether it is bearable or not. You must never think of anything except the need and how to meet it. Thank you.